Alright guys, if you're anything like me, you've seen these Nashville chicken mozzarella concoction from Chili's all over your social media. So I'm going to show you how to do it at home. It's going to be better because it's at home, and it's also going to be cheaper. Oh yeah, oh god, yeah, good. Gotta get it all over though. Get that all nice and, yeah, baby. Wet hand, dry hand. Use the wet hand, dry hand. You're gonna have the monster claw if you don't. Give her the old double dip. Otherwise you're gonna have mozzarella all over your fryer. Oh yeah. I'm also not doing the wet hand, dry hand, so I'm getting the monster claws. That's on me. Wish somebody would have told me sooner. Set that bad boy down and do his twin brother. Little dream of mine, twin brothers. Just kidding. Don't post that. We're just gonna keep on rocking though, you know what I mean? Which one's the wet hand? Which one's the dry hand?
At this point, no one knows.
It's a Vegas gamble at this point. Now you're just left with the monster claws. Look at, there we go. There's that. Alright guys, so we're going to make the Nashville, so as basic as I could possibly keep it. We have some brown sugar, we have paprika, I opted for some chili de árbol, and we have onion powder, garlic powder. Super easy. Here we go, a little hot oil here. Doesn't have to be scorching hot by any means. A little bit of that in there. Give her a nice little whisk, incorporate it all. And that is your Nashville sauce. Nashville squirt, make it hurt. Alright, if you've ever been to Nashville, you know you cannot do anything hot chicken without your pickles. Come on, Chili's. You better. I just want someone to kiss me on the mouth and taste this right now.